Well, certainly you recall that the reason why accused number 4 brought this particular application is because he argues that the state simply does not have sufficient evidence linking him to Senzo Meyiwa's murder, but of course raising quite pertinent issues around some of the evidence that has been presented by the state. You recall that there is the evidence of Constable Sizwe Zungu that places all 5 accused at the hostel on the day that Senzo Meyiwa was shot and killed. And what the defense had argued is that the evidence of Constable Sizwe Zungu, should be rejected by the court, saying that it was laced with contradictions and that it had not been corroborated. But of course, the court begging to differ and saying that it does believe that accused number 4 does have, a case to answer to, that there's a prima facie case or evidence that will need to be answered by accused number 4. But let's get some reaction from the NPA about this particular ruling. Lumka Mahanjana joins me now from the NPA. Thank you very much, Lumka. Let's begin here with just your reaction on what has happened in court and, that outcome that the bid by accused number 4 has been denied.
We welcome the judgment handed down by the court to dismiss accused number 4's 174 application. For the NPA, this is encouraging since this is one of the hurdles that we had to jump through.
Okay, let's talk about the strength of the. Does it reassure you as the NPA that you have a solid case against these accused? And of course, you talk about this being one of the hurdles that you had to jump.
Indeed, this is very encouraging. You must remember the first hurdle that we had to jump was the admissibility of the confession statement, which were ultimately admissible in court, and then this hurdle. So it really does prove that the 5 accused standing before court have a case to answer to.
And as a state, are you ready for the next leg of this particular trial? We know that now the state will be in the cross-examining seat where you'll be challenging and, questioning some of the evidence that will be brought by the defense.
Indeed, we are ready for the next leg of this case. Ultimately, we want the finalization of this case so that justice can be served to the family of the Senzo Meyiwa and the South Africa at large.
And in terms of delays, we know that it's been marked by many delays. Are you anticipating any delays in this matter, and what would these delays mean for this trial?
We hope not. We hope not. You must remember there was a trial within a trial that took 5 months, and then there was this 174 application. We hope now, moving forward, we'll sail through, the defense will present their case, and we can come to the finalization of this case.